Hello everyone, today I'm going to give my review of the President's Choice hummus in the roasted garlic flavor. Now I love hummus. This kind is really good. Garlic is just perfect. Chickpeas have a great texture. Hummus tastes delicious and it's not too bad for you. It's pretty healthy. So for 2 tablespoons we have 80 calories, 6 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbohydrates with 2 fiber, 0 sugar, and 3 grams of protein. So there's not like a whole lot of calories in it, and I think of it similar to how you think of like peanut butter, but a little bit healthier. It's a bit different. It's more fibrous. So I don't have a whole lot left in this. I just went through this pretty quickly, but I want to do 2 little review videos just to give my take on it. And this is just a little Naan dipper. If I get the autofocus to work, there we go. It's really good. The texture of hummus is amazing. The garlic flavor it's savory enough and strong enough that it just, I don't know, it mixes really well because it's got a lot of flavor to it, and then you can just eat it with naan bread and it's good. So I love it. I eat a whole lot of hummus. The ingredients are pretty simple. It's chickpeas, water, tahini, sesame seed paste, canola oil, roasted garlic, concentrated lemon juice, sea salt, citric acid, and dried garlic. Very natural, very delicious. That hummus is easily getting a 9 out of 10. It's flavored so well. Garlic is just a low-key perfect flavor. And President's Choice does a really good job. It's vegetarian too, so that's a nice little bonus. I find the texture very much like peanut butter, but I like the texture of hummus better than peanut butter. And with peanut butter recently been kind of talked about for having alpha toxins in it, hummus might be a little bit of a better option, so I'm kind of going to switch my way over to eating more hummus and less peanut butter, which I eat a lot. Used to eat a lot of. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.